Dare to Compare, Chapter 1, page 19 of the Connecting Doors material. ICT Challenge. When you see this symbol, it means that you will have to use information technology tools. In this particular case, you'll have to prepare a PowerPoint presentation to show some of the differences between the past and today. So in other words, you will have to compare the past and today. I would like you to write sentences about how things have changed. By things, I mean cellular phones. I want you to compare cell phones from the past and cell phones from now. I would also like you to compare TV sets. You can talk about how they have changed. Their price, for example, their size, their dimensions. Finally, I'd like you to compare the cars of the past and the cars today. Your presentation should include a slide for each set of items you will compare. So there should be 3 slides, one for the cell phones, one for the TV sets, and one for the cars. I would also like you to import photos or pictures from the internet. So, in other words, I want you to copy and paste pictures from the internet. Finally, you can add sounds to the slides. You could, for example, use Audacity to record the sentences that you have written. And after saving them, you could simply add them to your presentation.